In today's world, everything is changing. Companies are investing massive amount on AI models. So to use the AI models is our duty now to keep self-updated. Therefore, we use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, these models. These are nothing but LLM models. So if you're interested to know how these LLM models work, this video is for you. Imagine you're chatting with a really smart friend who has read almost every book, article, and website in the world. You ask a question, and instantly they reply with a meaningful answer. That's exactly what large language models, or LLMs, do. Today, let's break down how LLMs actually work in the simplest way possible with easy examples you can understand. Stick around because by the end, you'll be able to explain LLMs to anyone like a pro. What is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. Think of it like a giant brain made of math and statistics, trained on massive amounts of text, books, Wikipedia, blogs, code, and more. But here's the key: it doesn't memorize everything word by word. Instead, it learns patterns in language. For example, if I say roses are, you'll probably say red. Why? Because your brain has seen that phrase many times. An LLM works the same way, predicting the next word based on patterns it has learned. How do they learn? LLMs are trained using billions or even trillions of words. During training, the model gets a sentence with a missing word, like the cat is sitting on the blank. The model guesses mat. If it's correct, great. If it's wrong, it adjusts its internal settings, called weights. After doing this millions of times, it becomes really good at predicting words and forming sentences that sound natural. Example: Smart autocomplete. Think of it like a supercharged version of your phone's autocorrect. When you type happy birth, your phone suggests day. And LLM is like autocomplete on steroids. Instead of just predicting one word, it can generate entire essays, poems, or even computer programs just by predicting one word after another, super fast. How does it understand context? Here's where it gets interesting. LLMs use something called transformers and attention mechanisms. Don't worry, simple explanation coming up. Imagine you're reading this sentence. The dog chased the cat because it was fast. Now, the word it could mean the dog or the cat. How do we know? We look at context. Transformers help LLMs focus on the right parts of a sentence, just like our brain does, to figure out what it refers to. That's why LLMs can hold context in conversations, answer follow-up questions, and not get lost. Strengths and weaknesses. LLMs are powerful. They can summarize, translate, write code, and even pass exams. But they're not perfect. Sometimes they make things up. This is called hallucination. They also don't truly understand like humans do. They just generate based on patterns. Think of them as brilliant guessers, not conscious beings. Real life example. Let's say you ask an LLM, explain gravity like I'm 5. It might answer, gravity is like an invisible hand that pulls everything down, so when you throw a ball, it falls back to earth. Pretty neat, right? The same model can also explain gravity with equations if you ask like a physics student. That flexibility is what makes LLMs so powerful. So, to sum it up, LLMs are giant pattern recognizers trained on massive text data. They work by predicting the next word step by step. Transformers and attention help them keep context. They're amazing at generating language but not perfect. And that's how LLMs work, must simplified. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's the coolest thing you've seen an AI language model do?